So we are currently at the mall. We just dropped our car off to get inspected. We did purchase a new car, so I will share that with y'all. But yeah, so we're in Bethesda, Maryland right now. Yeah, so we just decided to drop the car off and like spend the day out here. So we are working, we have our computers, gonna get some other stuff done, probably get some food, 'cause I'm starving. And that's it really. So again, we're just working. Nick is there, and yeah, we're gonna figure out what we're gonna eat. And I'll also again share what car we decided to purchase. Weekend. I'm smacking, I'm sorry. Me and Nick are actually about to head out to run some errands. I had to go to the outlet to make a return. We'll probably grab some food, you know, just kind of hang out while we don't have Nayland, especially because he has an event tonight. So we're just trying to get some quality time in. So yeah, we'll take y'all along. So what do you don't want the soup at all?
I do want the soup. I'm kind of like, I'm not just glad to get that real situation.
So we are at RT's, which is like a Cajun, I guess. Yeah, Cajun inspired restaurant, or we'll see. But it's in Alexandria, and yeah, it's pretty chill in here right now for lunchtime. Nice and quiet and small. And is there another straw? Or did you take my straw? Basically just trying to figure out what we want to eat, because everything sounds so good. We already ordered oysters that are topped with crab meat and some soup. We probably, no, the oyster's not gonna fill us up.
Yeah, the oysters is gonna be.
So what you think you might get, the gumbo?
What's the gumbo like?
I don't really want jambalaya. I saw that.
Whoa.
Didn't we try alligator?
Might be good.
Didn't we try alligator?
I tried it before.
Alright, so we about to try. What was this again?
This is crab. This is crab.
Oh,
This is crab.
she crab soup. We're about to try the she crab soup. Dear Lord, thank you for this food. I receive this precious name of you need to sit on the inside.
Bread.
Oh my God. Sneaky.
The only ones I get are from like New England or Canada or the little cleanup. And they really cold.
Chef's kiss. I want to make a bomb soup or stew.
Okay, so the mussels
Oh,
in the middle,
Yep.
Yeah.
and the entree come with a salad too.
Okay.
So the two salad, between salad.
Thank you.
All right, enjoy.
thank you.
From what they used to be.
Appetizer mussels with salad.
You know those air rollers?
You tapping that bread?
Can you imagine times 3?
Yeah.
You want it?
They're loud. I'm leaving.
Down in golf. They have that type of sweat sheet bacteria.
Yeah. Make this fun.
Thank you. Super running.
Oh, I know.
Alright, so I'm about to try the smothered catfish. It's good?
I should have got rice.
That's what I said. I thought yours came with rice. You need some rice or something.
Yeah.
Next
You want some, man?
Friday is a
No, wait.
Dave invited me to a Christmas party. I'm gonna go down to Fredericksburg.
I thought she said yours came with rice.
That's what she did say that.
So I can ride down.
I'm gonna save my joint for later.
Mine comes every
That's pretty good. I'm probably just gonna hit more later.
more expensive. You gotta pay for the water and you get a separate bill for sewage and all that shit.
You want catfish?
Yeah.
Hey y'all, what's up? I'm about to run some Sunday errands. Nothing crazy. Just typical Sunday stuff. Groceries. I might run into like a Home Goods or Target because I want to start looking at little stuff to put together for Nayland's new little play area. I probably shared this on Instagram, but I want to like redo her play area. She has a play pond right now, but we already got her like a little desk set from IKEA, and so I just wanted, you know, like to elevate her space a little bit because she does like sitting down at little tables and, you know, doing stuff. So I want to see what I can find to kind of like accessorize that. But yeah, just really groceries, and that's it. And some of y'all have noticed that we did get a new car. Yay. So we ended up getting the Audi Q8, which is like a truck. It doesn't have 3 rows, it's 2 rows, but it's really nice. It's been something that we've had our eye on for a while, and I will take this as a push gift. So that's that. I'm loving it so far. We've had it for like maybe 2 or 3 weeks now. I love the ride, the style of it, of course. And yeah, so I'm happy with this purchase. I was driving my Jeep Patriot, which was a 2014, basically since 2015 when I graduated college. That was my first car I purchased, and so I felt it was time for me to find something with a little more space, especially like trunk space, especially that we're about to have 2 kids. Yeah, I just felt like I needed a little bit more space for strollers and car seats and stuff. So I thought this would be a good car for us, and of course, you know, I'm just happy. So yeah, we got a new car, my new mom car, in style or whatever, little upgrade, you know. But yeah, so I'm about to run these errands. We'll see what I find. Rainbow. Second rainbow. This one is a little more friendly. did pick up from Ulta some new hair stuff because I was using Shea Moisture, but apparently, let me cut the light on. Here we go. Apparently Shea Moisture dries your hair out, and the last time I got my hair done, that's what my stylist told me. So I said I would switch it up. So I've heard good things about Pattern, so I went to Ulta, picked it up. I got the mask treatment, and I just got this little travel kit to see if I actually like it before I buy the actual larger sizes. So it comes with the cleansing shampoo, intensive conditioner, and leave-in conditioner. And then I'll probably just do like a wash and go. And my candles came in from Candle Day. Only ordered like 6. I haven't been like 100% with Bath and Body Works lately. I don't know why. I think I'm just starting to outgrow their fragrances a little bit. But so I just picked up some of my favorites. I think so this first one is Bergamot Waters. It's like a year-round scent. It's very like tropical. It reminds me of like a hotel or like a resort smell. Like, you know, if you just walk into that nice 5-star hotel, you just get that great smell. This is like a winter one. Snowy Coconut Frost. It smells pretty good. I seem to like things with coconut in it. And this is Mary Mimosa. Mary Mimosa. This one smells pretty good too. It's a little strong. Sparkling champagne, red apple slices, sugar crystals, and natural essential oils. It's a little strong for me, but we'll see. What is this one? Trying to hurry up before Nayla starts fussing. This is Frosted Cranberry. A nice classic holiday scent. Excuse me. Sun-drenched linen. Another all year round scent. Just smells like fresh laundry. And lastly, what is this? Mahogany Coconut, another all year fragrance that I get. This is like one of my favorites. So yeah, so that's it. That probably wraps up this little chill weekend vlog. And yeah, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.